This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the Mövenpick Vanilla Chocolate Ice Cream. I bought this particular tub for €1.69 on sale at my most local Globus, and today we are going to take a very close look at this together. Pause if you want to take a look at the nutrition table right there, and pause if you want to take a look at the ingredients list right there. We have bourbon vanilla ice cream with chocolate sauce, 8.2%, whole milk chocolate pieces, 3.3%, dark chocolate pieces, 1.9%, and Raspelschokolade. I guess those are chocolate curls, these things that you scrape off the block of chocolate. This particular tub is, best consumed before July of 2027, so I think at this point in time we are well within that particular time frame. Open here, Lasche hochdrücken, Lasche, tab, push tab upwards. Okay. Wow, we did it, we mother flipping did it. No, I don't really have Mövenpick too often, and I was looking for something to review, and since neither Ben and Jerry's nor Häagen-Dazs nor anything else I was interested in was on sale, I went for this one. And $1.69 for this. I mean, it is quite a sort of not very tall, quite a short tub in height. 490 grams of ice cream is still quite a bit though. So I'm interested in whether or not for €1.69 this is a good deal or not. With bourbon, vanilla and chocolate sauce. Yeah, let's open the tub. There we have it. So we've got these little chocolate scrapings right there, which look okay. The whole the whole base ice cream looks very similar to, I guess, a tiramisu, color-wise. Interesting that we had tiramisu style ice cream last week. Let's see what this smells of. I can smell dark chocolate. Not the real dark, but darker sweet chocolate. And that's all I can really smell, to be honest. Let's go for a taste test of this, I suppose, yeah? We've got a chocolate piece right there, and some vanilla ice cream, I suppose. So let's see what this is like. Okay, first spoonful. You can already tell that this is not the most premium of ice creams. It does have quite a crystally texture to it. Yeah. I feel like there are quite a few ice crystals in there, quite a bit of water, not the most full cream flavor that I've ever tasted before. I have to say though that the crunch of these chocolate pieces is alright, but then again, most off-brand ice creams get that right 100% of the time as well, so nothing special in that regard either. These swirls here, this marmorization, marbling, looks alright though. Let me zoom in on this closely. Okay, it was zoomed in, as close as I can get it. It looks alright though, when we look at it like this. I have to say that this is just quite a basic vanilla chocolate ice cream. Certainly not the best. Too much ice crystal formation, I would say. Too watery in flavor for something that I would actually love eating. And when I like the texture of these chocolate pieces, I have to say that's not enough to, I guess, knock the ball out of the park. No. Yeah, I think we've got everything we were supposed to be getting from this one, right? Base ice cream, standard, not great, not too awful, no bad aftertaste as of yet. The chocolate pieces were fine in flavour. Crunch was good. Let's see what these things are like in flavour. Okay, yeah. They're just the basic thing that you can also get in the, I guess, triple choc cereal from Aldi. At least over here. If it's available still. Yeah, I think I've seen everything that I need to see about this, so I think I'm going to eat a few more spoonfuls of this, and then I will see you with the review sheet in just a second. The consumption process is complete, and we are ready to rate this with the review sheet. First impression wise, I'm giving 0.75 out of 1 available point. Overall, it looked okay. We did have a decent chocolate scent to it. It wasn't the most fantastic thing to look at though. In general, I have to say, the chocolate wasn't the best smelling. It has got this sort of slightly cheapish, darkish, sweet chocolate. Yeah. Not the most fantastic impression of all, but it was certainly decent enough, therefore 0.75 out of 1 available point. Color-wise, I'm giving full points because everything looked as it should. It was actually quite close to what it was supposed to be, I guess, so I'm giving full points in that regard. Unless I'm missing something, of course, that might be the case. Consistency and texture-wise, I'm giving 1 out of 2 available points. Maybe I should give less points here, but something that I really did enjoy was the crunchiness of these chocolate pieces. On the other hand though, the ice cream itself was quite disappointing, and it was in the end just too watery, too ice crystally, less ice cream like, less soft, like this soft creamy texture that you've got with actual like proper ice cream. It wasn't really here, so overall more of an affordable texture when it comes to ice creams. Taste wise, I'm giving 2.5 out of 5 available points. I have to say that the vanilla flavor was there, the chocolate flavor was there, and the second chocolate flavor was there also. The two chocolates tasted a bit different, but what I can say is the richness of the ice cream flavor, that really wasn't there all too much. It was sort of numbing the tongue, I guess, with its ice crystalliness. Not in the most literal senses, but it felt a bit more watery and a bit colder, less smoothly melting on the tongue than proper nice premium ice creams do. And overall, yeah, once again, just a more affordable flavor, I suppose. Therefore, 2.5 out of 5 available points. I could give 2 out of 5 available points, but I didn't have any bad aftertastes, so I kind of want to up it over some other ice creams that I've taken a look at previously. Themalization wise, I'm giving 1 out of 1 available point. Maybe I should give half here, but I did like these chocolate shavings, I did like the chocolate pieces, and I guess there was vanilla flavor, so yeah, maybe I'm being a bit too generous here, but I don't have a problem with that in this particular review, I have to say. Therefore, in total, we end up with a 6.25 out of 10 for the Mövenpick Vanilla Chocolate ice cream. €1.69 was the price for this, and for that price, that's a fantastic product, I think. But of course, it's not being sold at that price anytime soon without being on sale. So yeah, I don't even know what it's usually being sold at price-wise. But for $1.69, I would definitely recommend checking it out. If you have had this particular ice cream before, please let me know in the comment section down below if you liked it or not, and what did you like about it, and what else I should take a look at in the next ice cream review. Maybe something from Mövenpick, Cremissimo. Maybe I find another sale. If there's something that you're really interested in and that you want me to review, and that is hopefully available on the German market, then feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Anyway, if you've got a question or a video suggestion, leave it down in the comment section below. Well, I've said this 3 times within a minute now. It's getting boring. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, don't leave a comment in the comment section down below. Just feel free to subscribe. On that, it is now finally time to end this particular video, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then, bye bye.